let the sun shine in today.
Alright guys, so I know it's been a while since we put out a video, but I'm back at it. I'm gonna be working on the floor again today, trying to get all that old glue and paint, old paint off, and getting the floor prepped so we can start working on getting a subfloor installed, and then ever so closely inching our way toward getting the roof raise done. So hope you hang out with me, have some fun, see what I do, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so you might be wondering why I'm driving around in the bus. Well, anytime we've let it sit for more than a week or two, I like to get over here and drive it around a little bit, make sure everything stays lubed up, you know, all the hoses and fittings and all that stuff. You know, you never just want to leave an engine sitting, and so I always come out here and I drive it around a little bit, get everything warmed up, and get all the fluids moving through, and make sure the batteries and the alternators, everything's all charged up and ready to go. But yeah, and it also just gives me a little more practice every time I drive it, right? So yeah, right now that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing some laps in the bus, so I can get that all going, and then I'm gonna get started on the floor in just a bit. Alright guys, so I can tell you right now, I'm not very impressed with this thing. It's not really working any better than the flapper disc, and to be honest, the wheel I had from Harbor Freight, 10 times better. It's funny how sometimes it's cheap, just because it's cheap doesn't mean it doesn't work. Just taking a quick break. I'm trying to get some fresh air, some much needed coffee, and I just have to say, I just want to let you guys know, if you're thinking about getting those dumb flap abrasive wheels from Lowe's, the Gator, they're horrible. Don't waste your time or your money. Alright guys, so I'm here at Harbor Freight to pick up some more grinding wheels, or those abrasive pads, because I cannot work with what that other abrasive pad or the flap disc just aren't working. So I'm gonna grab some out of here and see what else we can find. All right guys, so just got done in Harbor Freight. I love looking around Harbor Freight, but I hate the long lines. It's always got long lines, except unless you go early in the morning before people start waking up, I guess. It's the only time you can get in and out of Harbor Freight without a long line, and it seems like everybody's always got a problem. And so, but you really can't beat the prices, and you know, some of the stuff is not the best quality, but like I said, that abrasive wheel still works better than one at Lowe's, so I had to go and get myself some more. So hopefully that works out. so obviously not the same day, right? Didn't get back over here in time to get any more of the floor done yesterday after Harbor Freight. But these are the abrasive wheels that I picked up. 4.5 inch polycarbide abrasive wheel. These things work fantastic. I'm gonna try to get more of the floor done, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. Alright guys, so I don't want to take off my mask just yet because it's still kind of dusty in here, but as you can see, I finished, got the entire floor done. The next step now is going to be, we're going to paint it with like something to help prevent rust, and then lay down the subfloor after that. So I'll probably get the family helping with that. Should be a fun project for everyone to be a part of. I got the floor completely done and ready to be prepped for, I'm gonna cover some holes with the little pieces of sheet metal and probably fill in the screw holes from when the seats were bolted down with some kind of caulking. And then we're gonna paint it with some rust inhibiting paint and get that all treated, and then we'll lay down a subfloor and we're gonna do like a regular foam and plywood subfloor to make sure it stays nice and insulated. But I want to get the family involved in that, so we'll probably be taking part in the painting and the subfloor part. I usually try not to do too much with the grinder when everybody's here. That way we don't have to worry about everybody, making sure everybody has the right ear protection and stuff. It's just me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know some of these kind of videos aren't always the most entertaining, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it somewhat informative. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, share the video. When you share it and like the video, it actually helps us out a lot with the algorithm. And if this is your first video you've watched of ours, please consider subscribing to follow us along on our journey. Things are going to get a lot more interesting, I promise. We're going to be, once we get the subfloor done and the roof raised, then from then on it's all building, and then before you know it, we'll be on the road. So yeah, just thank you guys so much for watching. We thank you for your support and helping us out and watching these videos and just sharing them. And I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.